All right, so this next section is actually kind of interesting, and I'll also put the link. I found this on online somewhere. So it says, like, if you look at all these triangles, they all look different, right? Well, it turns out that to find the area of your triangle, you know it's 1/2 base times height. So if I look at the base of all of these, we can see that the base of each of these triangles is actually the same. And if I take the height of each of these, and there's assuming 2 parallel lines, the height of this triangle is a perpendicular from the tippy point to the bottom. So here's the height. Same thing here. Here is the height. So here the height would be a perpendicular from your base. And if you said that this is the base, then the height has to be this length right here, whether you put it over here or right here. Same thing here. The height is, if that's your base, you could put your height right there, but it's going to be this distance right here. So all of these triangles actually have the same area because formula is 1/2 base, all the same, and their heights are actually all the same. Okay, so that's going to be really important when we do this next section, and we're going to have different triangular prisms, and we have to know how to find the area of the triangle correctly. All right, here we go. Okay, so this lesson is going to be a little bit long, but really, really important. All right, so first of all, we have to actually name this one, and this is first find your base, because everything is based off of your base. So your base is, so we know it's a prism, it's not a pyramid. Your base is not a rectangle. Your base is whatever you have 2 of, and they're parallel. So here is the back side of the triangle, and then here is that front side of your triangle. So your base is actually a triangle. All right, so this is called a right triangular prism. Edges are going to be these lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. Faces are how many of those flat surfaces. So the front and the back, the side, this one, and then the slant side. So that's 5. Vertices are the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Okay. So first question says, find your area of your base. Well, your base is this triangle right here. So in this triangle right here, we need to know, I'll just highlight it this way. All right, I've got this is 3, and I need to know this length. Wait, no, the slant side is 5, that's 7. Okay, I have to do Pythagorean theorem to find this length right here. Or you could know that it is a 3, 4, 5 triangle, okay, using Pythagorean theorem. So area of your base is base times height divided by 2.